at the stop sign ahead, we're going to turn left. Timing of your signal should be about maybe a driveway or so beforehand. It's fun to drive in the snow.
Yeah.
I like it.
I heard that the not the instructors, but the testers there,
Yeah,
they'll go easy on you in the winter.
they do. Yeah, they're a little more lenient.
Yeah, because snow and everything.
Yeah, they understand. People are already nervous, even in good road conditions.
Yeah.
A right turn. So yeah, and they're really nice here too. The examiners.
That's good, though.
I have a good rapport with them, and they love it when they see these cars, the driving school cars.
Yeah.
They know that they're much safer than in somebody's personal vehicle.
Yeah.
To make a right. And they also know that people have taken some lessons when they see the driving school cars.
So when I take my G2, I'm able to use my own car, right?
Yes, you can. Yeah, absolutely.
Like, it doesn't really matter what type it is.
No, so long as everything's working on it. You don't have any cracks in the windshields. All the lights are working. Yeah, all that good stuff.
So I was trying to buy a Lancer off a guy.
Oh yeah.
And because it was nice. It was a manual Lancer, white, and it had a black hood. So it was only driven like 210 kilometers.
Oh wow.
So I was asking him, I'm like, yeah, well, it looks nice. He's like, only $5,000. And then he's like, I asked him, I'm like, is it certified? He's like, no. I'm like, what's going on? So I asked him what was wrong with it. He said the brakes were all messed up. So immediately I was like, no, you know what? My first car, I want everything working. I don't want a car with no brakes because I rely on my brakes. Straight or?
Straight ahead, sorry. Yeah. So he's directing traffic.
Yeah, he's doing his thing.
Just kind of standing on the corner here.
Doing his thing. I think he was doing that yesterday too for like an hour. Yeah.
My first car it lasted me maybe 8 months.
Really?
Yeah, I was the same thing. Like it looked like it was okay and got it certified and all that, but then things started going wrong.